What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Key, and we back again with another bang. As always, I'm dropping another reaction video today. This reaction is going to be to the R&B 90s group Soul For Real. This was a group that Heavy D discovered back in 1993. And this is their debut hit single, Candy Rain, from the 1995 self-titled album Soul For Real. Well, no, it's not self-titled, correction. It's a 1995 album called Candy Rain. There you go. So, Heavy D produced this track, and he's on the remix too, but I'm not reacting to the remix. I'm reacting to the actual video. So without further ado, we're just gonna hop into it.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, ain't allowed to say no. Anytime she goes away.
Already sound like Michael to me.
So what's up?
Oh, they go ahead?
Yeah. You like simple stuff? Nah. What's up, man? I like them.
Rest in peace to Andre Harrell. 6 months later. I know this song already. I always hear it in the club. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna see this whole video.
Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you got? Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Tell me what you want and got, and I will give it to you. Cause you are my love. Do you ever dream? Do you ever dream?
I'm gonna stop. I ain't gonna lie, I was getting carried away because I know that I low-key know this song because I always hear it in the club, and my mother loves this song too. Shout out to moms, you know. Yeah, she loves this song, bro. Every time like it be like, I ain't gonna lie, like, as a kid she always played this song constantly, and as I got older and I started going to like R&B nights at clubs, this was always on heavy rotation. So I low-key know this song, I just didn't see the video. Oh, not the knees, bro. it's so for real with Candy Rain, bro. Hey, that's a African American culture staple song right there. It's like everywhere you go, whether it's a club or a family function, everybody's singing this song, bro. There's not one person that's not singing the song. Don't at me. I'm telling you, I've been there, done that. But alright, but this is a quartet of brothers, and it was Jace, Chalk, Dre, and hold up, I just seen the other dude's name. I just seen his name. Give me a second. And Brian, that's what it was. So yeah, quartet of brothers. They had a couple of hits. They was big from the mid to late 90s, and they had about two to three albums released. But I'm gonna be reacting to some of the big hits, and if y'all want me to react to like the underappreciated songs, drop it in the comment section and I'll get to it. But that's it for this video. If you like what you're seeing, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment in the comment section down below for songs you want me to react to in the future, and I promise you I'll get to it. And until next time, peace out and be safe.